If you're underweight or struggle with being too skinny, you've probably asked yourself, how do I gain weight? How can I build a healthier, fuller body? I see this question all the time in the comments, so in today's video, I'll walk you through practical tips and foods that will help you put on weight quickly and in a healthy way. Even if you feel weak and your frame looks very thin right now, don't worry. Follow these steps consistently and you'll notice real changes in your body. Step 1. Start your mornings the right way. The first thing you need to understand is that weight gain isn't random. It depends on eating the right foods at the right time. Most people go wrong at breakfast. It's the most important meal for gaining weight, yet many load up on greasy fried foods first thing in the morning. Things like oily breads or heavy fried snacks. Here's the problem. Oily meals take hours to digest. You stay full for too long and end up skipping lunch, snacks, or other calorie-rich meals later in the day. And if you're not eating enough overall, your weight gain will stall. Instead, aim for a light but satisfying breakfast. Add some fiber-rich foods like chickpeas or cabbage to support digestion. Stick to lighter options such as bread with vegetables, but go easy on the oil. This way your food digests faster, you'll feel hungry again sooner, and you'll be able to eat more throughout the day. Step 2. Load up at dinner. Your evening meal should be the opposite of your breakfast, high in calories. Dishes made with butter, ghee, or oil-rich breads are perfect here. Why? Because when you sleep, your body is resting and digesting slowly. That gives your system time to fully absorb the calories you've eaten. Just remember to finish your dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime. Eating right before you sleep makes digestion harder and can upset your stomach. Step 3. A simple nighttime trick. Here's a powerful tip. Drink lemon water before bed. And no, not the sweet lemonade most people imagine. Do it this way. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water. Add a pinch of black salt. Drink it about an hour before sleeping. This helps cleanse your stomach, detoxify your system, and improve digestion by boosting enzymes and stomach acids. Better digestion means better nutrient absorption, and that directly speeds up both weight gain and muscle growth. Step 4. The best foods for gaining weight. Now let's look at some foods that will support healthy, steady weight gain. 1. Tofu. Packed with protein, it builds muscle mass and helps you bulk up naturally. 2. Dates. Eating 3 to 4 dates in the morning with water can increase your appetite for the rest of the day, making it easier to eat more. 3. Oatmeal. A great source of carbohydrates that provide energy and help add mass. 4. Natural supplements. Sometimes the body lacks essential nutrients. Herbs like ashwagandha, an ancient Ayurvedic herb known for strength and stress relief, safed muesli, a natural root that boosts energy and vitality, and shatavari, a plant that improves digestion and nutrient absorption, are known to support healthy weight gain. One example is Nature Sure Double Mass Tablets, which combine these herbs. They're safe, certified, and have no side effects. 5. Healthy fats. Don't shy away from fats. Adding butter or ghee to meals boosts calorie intake and helps you gain faster. 6. Eggs. A classic choice. Eggs deliver high-quality protein and healthy fats. Eating 2 to 3 daily can make a noticeable difference in both weight and muscle growth. Step 5. Don't forget exercise. Weight gain isn't only about eating more. You need to train your body too. Strength exercises will turn those calories into muscle rather than just fat. Closing. So here's the bottom line. If you stick to these steps, eat right, add the right foods, drink lemon water at night, and stay active, you'll start to see results within a month or two. Your body will begin to transform, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can gain healthy weight.